Hey everybody, it's Josh with Cool Guys Nation. Today we are here with a quick and dirty tutorial for Wolverine for Marvel Crisis Protocol. Alright, we have Wolverine here. Achillean green for the blue, Snakebite, Iron in yellow, Kill him in flesh, Black Templar, and a random silver. And then I guess we'll be doing a wash, Null Oil. And we'll start with the yellow. Just touching up with some white. Any spots that I've gone over, well defined. So I'm going to paint some white on those. Check for any other bits. Achillean green. Gillen flesh. Templar black. Just touching up with some white. Any spots that I've gone over. Templar black. Here's what you get at the end of your little adventure with Wolverine. Looks pretty decent. Basically almost all contrast paints. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed that Wolverine Crisis Protocol quick and dirty paint scheme. If you like, I've already said the spiel. We'll see you on the table.